So here are solutions to the practice questions after downloading the template. So if you want to explore a directory in the terminal, first thing is you need to open the terminal. Here I'm using Anaconda prompt because that nicely is able to talk with Python, and we've used the Anaconda distribution in the setup. So I've opened the prompt, but it always opens actually by default in our user directory. So using the cd commands, we can navigate down to our project directory, which here sits at C projects. If I'm unsure where my project directory is, I can type dir on Windows or ls on a Mac to learn about the directory names. And now with cd projects, and then the dir command, okay, the subfolder is called my text mining, cd my text mining, I can actually navigate to my folder. Hitting dir again, and I'll see some files over here. So now I can also start exploring a couple of directories. I can do that using the cd and dir commands, but we've learned how that works. The most important thing is we're in this directory right now because we'll have to run some code in this later on. But now I can go ahead actually and going to my Windows Explorer and start exploring the directory structure. So the question here was which directories featured in our workflow guide are present, which are not. And what we'll see is that the directory that is present is the source code directory. And we have two pipeline stages. One is data preparation, one is analysis. Probably data preparation comes first. So you click on data preparation, you see a bunch of files over here. We'll look at them later on. Analysis, same thing, a few R files here, and a Python file called wipe and a make file. But that's it, no other directories. So there's no directory for the raw data, and there's also no directory for generated files. And this is how a clean repository needs to look like. Namely, a repository only stores the source code that is required to build the project. Data sits somewhere on the server, so it can be downloaded, which we'll do in a bit. And all generated files are not versioned on Git because they're being generated by source code. So that's the solution to the practice questions right here. So thanks a lot for watching, and good luck continuing our tutorial.